pretty old furnace. This is can't see the year, but it's pretty old. What happened here is the house actually shifted. Looks like everything shifted to that direction, and inside the furnace we can see how the ground shifted, concrete, and that's the belt that got destroyed. The motor is working actually. It's a little hot running without the belt. Inside, let's check this assembly if it's spinning at all. Yeah, it does. It does spin. So this is not direct drive as you see. This is belt drive. This is called belt drive blower motor instead of direct drive. It's 115 volts motor. Just nothing special about it. What's different here, we have basal pilot control, and looks like the pilot is on. So that's the pilot control, and then this is pretty old gas valve made by White Rogers. Yep. Let's see what else we have. The switch obviously is broken, and here is fan and limit control. This is the fan and limit control. This basically controls the limit for the gas valve, and when the blower has to come on and shut off, basically the fan and the limit for the gas valve. That's what it controls. We have a little transformer here, and everything else as far as inside. It's just one burner. As far as it's 95,000 BTU input, 76 output. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can do anything with this. It's been shifted so dramatically. I don't know what to do with it. Major cracks. So air conditioner is still operational because it comes on. I accidentally pressed the AC and it came on. I don't know if it's actually working or not. This is the original OEM pilot valve. This is the main gas valve here, gas shutoff valve and pilot valve that directly goes to the pilot, and nothing stops the gas flow. Gas flow, if the utility company shuts the gas off and turns back on and pilot was out and pilot basically gas is on, then pilot will, this tube will have constant gas flow. Nothing will stop it. It's directly connected to up to there. The basic control is only for make sure that there is pilot so that gas valve comes on. But if there is no pilot, gas valve will not come on, but at the same time you will have constant gas flow. Nothing will shut it off. That's how it's set up. It's old setup. There is also a gas regulator here. So this gas valve does not have internal regulator, so it requires the gas pressure to be dropped down to 14 inches of water column, and after 14 inches of water column the gas valve probably gonna allow 3.5. I don't see any of this information here. I'm just generally speaking. But that's how this system works. Even though this old, we can give respect to this system because it worked for so many years. And I don't think this is 1980s furnace. It's probably before then, before 1980. Can't say because there is no date anywhere, and I don't know. Let me see if it says manufacture date. No, it does not. I don't see anywhere, but it's definitely probably 30 years old. Here I see 1980. I believe that's 76. So installed in 76, 74, 1970. There you go. It says oiled the motor. Actually 1970 they did just a yearly inspection or some sort of service. But 1970, let's assume it was done in 1970. That means 30 plus 23, which is 53 years old. 52, 53 years old at least. And here is, this is actually interesting. This is the original, most likely the original condensate pump, because I've never seen anything like that before. Of course, lots of build-up inside. And what's interesting about this condensate pump, it has actually oilers. That's how the pump would last for this many years. Here is one oiler, so you squirt a little bit of oil here, that lubricates the top bearing, and there is another oiler that lubricates the bottom bearing. That's how it works for this many years. Okay. Alright guys, I thought they would be interesting, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, so if I find anything interesting I can have that documented and uploaded. Thank you.